Hey guys, how's it going? How to buy and equip Roblox emotes. So first of all, log into the website. Click on the avatar menu at the top left right here and click avatar, and then basically use the search bar or filters to find the emotes that you want. Click on the one that interests you, and then basically click the buy button. Let me turn this into the desktop website, and you're gonna buy it, and then go to your avatar, selecting the avatar from the menu, find the emotes section, click your emote on the emote that you want, and then select equip, and you're all set. You can now use your new emotes in game. So let's me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.